I'm Laura.
Hello, I'm Sergio.
Welcome to our YouTube channel, Explorlands.
And for the last 2 weeks, well no, for the last, for the last 2 weeks we've been travelling around Thailand. We have been all sorts, we've been in the islands, in Koh Samui, Koh Phangan, up in the mountains and National Park of Khao Sok, and now we're down in Phuket.
Yeah, well right now we're in Koh Lak.
Yes.
Because we are about to go on a tour to the Similan Islands. We've been picked up from Phuket around 6 a.m. and we drove about an hour. They drove us about an hour here, and we're at this pier. We're about to go to Similan Islands.
So when we arrived here, we checked in and we had some breakfast.
So breakfast is included in this tour, and also like some fruits and lunch as well that we're gonna have later. We booked our Similan Islands tour with Passeios em Fifi. It's a Brazilian travel agency here in Thailand, and they organize everything for you, which is pretty cool. We told them what we want to do and what scenarios, so they suggested this tour as well for us. It was definitely a tour we wanted to do, Similan Islands. It looks just amazing, so we're very excited for today. Come with us and explore Similan Islands.
So we are here at
Similan Islands.
Similan, and there is a lot of people on this beach.
Very busy.
Yes.
Let's go have lunch first.
We're gonna go have lunch.
Even though it's early for lunch, it's 11:25.
Yeah. Anyway, how did you find the
Snorkeling is really nice, yeah. But we're gonna have more snorkel. He said that's just the warm up, so.
Yeah. Well, I think that was the first one. I think it's 2. I don't think I would come here if it wasn't for the snorkeling.
Yeah.
It's just too
Even
many
though
people.
it's very nice.
Even though it's pretty, it's just very over touristy. Laura was saying that the same might happen with Maya Bay, where they might just close it because there's so many tourists.
Yeah, because Maya Bay has been closed, I think, for 3 years now.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't be surprised if they close this place down.
Yeah.
Loads of food, right? It's attacking the wings.
No, with a drumstick.
Drumsticks with it.
If you don't know, that rock up there is the symbol of the island,
That's what we've
the
been
Similan
told.
Islands. So the Similan Islands are made of 9 islands.
But we're only able to visit 6 because the other 3 of them. My maths is off.
I'm not sure how many of them. But some of them are protected because they are basically it's to protect the turtles.
Yeah, the green turtles, yes.
So today, unfortunately, the weather's not very good.
I mean, it's still warm, it's just cloudy. And it may rain.
It's not very picturesque. Laura.
We have arrived. That was a long trip. I mean, we could still be there, I wouldn't mind. We left the pier this morning, 9 AM for the day tour to Similan Islands, and we came back at 4:30 PM. It was full day, great time. It rained, it was sunny, we had all of it. So we got to see Similan with rain and with
sun.
So we are back from our day trip to Similan Islands.
And it was really fun. It was my first time snorkeling.
I snorkeled before, but I've never seen such amazing fish like
there
today.
There were so many fish. Literally, as soon as you look down, there was
it's just so beautiful.
Fish everywhere.
It's really beautiful.
And there were like small fish, huge fish. I mean, you've seen the videos anyway.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun. Tour is really well organized. The company, I think it's called Andaman Sun and Sea Travel. But we booked everything through Passeios in Fifi. I'll leave the Instagram here. Victoria organized everything for us. She's been really nice, very attentive, helpful, and she's always like a text away on WhatsApp. So if you come to Thailand and you want to go on some day trip tours, Passeios in Fifi is a Brazilian agency here in Thailand, and they are very good, especially for Portuguese viewers and Brazilian as well. They can be like very helpful, because if you send them your itinerary, they will suggest to you all the day trips you should be doing, what is included, how much it will be. They organize everything for you, and you just have to.
So you don't have to worry.
Yeah, you don't have to worry about it. And
they'll just tell you what time you need to be ready, and
exactly,
and what stuff to bring. And
what we really like about them as well is that they pick us up. Like, we don't have to worry about a taxi to get to a place. And with other tours we didn't have that before.
No, exactly. Today we didn't have to worry about anything.
Yeah, we just went and had fun.
We got picked up from the hotel, got dropped back off at the hotel.
Yeah, and we have this tour, like for the Similan Islands one, it was just like, I never had so much food in a tour. Like, we arrived, we had breakfast, and then we had snacks every time we came back to the boat. And we had lunch as well.
We had lunch on one of the islands in
the mainland, the main one, the bigger one. Yeah, and then we had another snack, and then we had fresh fruit as well. Always refreshments, cold refreshments, water, orange juice, fizzy drinks.
Yeah, and then we got back. There's some more foods like noodles and ice cream.
I wasn't expecting that, so it was a nice little dish to have.
And even the staff were like.
The staff were super friendly, helpful, so kind. Like, they were always like giving you a hand to get on and out of the boat.
I would definitely recommend this trip, because
I'll leave all the details in the description box, and easiest way to book it is through Passeios in Fifi. The Instagram is right here.
So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like, and if you haven't already, and
subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet as well. That will help you keep up to date with our latest videos. There will still be a couple more to come from Thailand, and if you haven't checked our previous videos from Thailand, go check them out. We have quite a few already. If you're planning to come to Thailand, I think they're good videos to help you have an idea of what to do, and maybe like what scenario you may want to do.
Okay, we'll see you on the next vlog.
Bye!
Bye!